Now we're going to do the value chart. I have my red in the center, and then I have my white and the black in the bottom. I'm going to use my flat brush and always start with the lightest color. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just take the little bit of red, just a small amount, and I'm going to add it with my white, and it's just a tint. So when you do tint, it's white plus the hue. I have the hues labeled in the center very lightly, so you can see the first one here is red. This center one is where the pure hue should be. And I'm just going to start with the white because I want to keep my brush the lightest, and I'll just gradually add. So this side, it's going to be very, very light. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more. Each step should be noticeably different. Okay, and now I'm going to wash my brush so I can get the pure hue. Now I'm going to start gradually adding some black. I already have red in my brush, so I'm just going to start adding a little bit of black. So black is intense. A little bit of black goes a really long way.
Now we're going to move on to the next colors. The next one says orange, but I'm going to use yellow because I already have red on my palette. And if I use the yellow, I'll have yellow on my brush, and then I can just mix the yellow and the red to make the orange. Your violet might be a slightly different color than my violet is. It depends on the blue that you use, or if you're using a violet straight from the tube that's already pre-made. Now your value chart is done, so find a safe place to put it to let it to dry.